In today's video, we're diving into 10 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets that are flying off the shelves in 2024. These are the tools everyone's buying to make meal prep faster, cooking easier, and kitchen cleanup a breeze. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without them. Let's kick things off with the Insulated digital kitchen scale, a must-have for precise cooking and baking. Whether you're counting macros or just trying to follow a recipe to the letter, this scale provides accurate measurements down to the gram. With its sleek stainless steel design and easy-to-read backlit display, it adds both style and functionality to your kitchen. The tare function lets you zero out the weight of your container, so you only measure the ingredients. It's compact, making it easy to store, and it's super versatile, perfect for weighing everything from flour to vegetables. Next up, the OXO Large Salad Spinner is here to change the way you handle your greens. No more soggy salads. This gadget spins your lettuce, herbs, and other greens dry in seconds, leaving them crisp and ready to serve. Its easy-to-use pump mechanism allows for quick spinning, while the brake button stops the spinning on a dime. The large bowl doubles as a serving dish, and the basket can even be used as a colander. It's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you love fresh, crunchy salads but hate the hassle of drying your greens, this spinner is a kitchen essential. Craving waffles but short on time and space? The Dash Mini Waffle Maker has got you covered. This compact waffle maker is perfect for quick breakfasts, snacks, or even desserts. It heats up in minutes, and its non-stick surface ensures your waffles slide out effortlessly. You can also get creative. Use it to make hash browns, paninis, or even mini pizzas. Available in fun colors, it's as cute as it is functional, and its small size makes it perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. Plus, it's easy to clean, so you can enjoy homemade waffles without the hassle of a big cleanup. Straining pasta or veggies has never been easier with the silicone clip-on pasta strainer. This gadget clips right onto the side of your pot, allowing you to drain water without the need for a bulky colander. Made from durable, heat-resistant silicone, it fits nearly any size pot or pan, and its flexible design makes pouring water a breeze. The best part? You don't have to worry about pasta slipping out. This strainer holds everything in place. It's easy to clean and takes up very little space in your drawer, making it a practical solution for anyone who loves cooking pasta. The Yaramate 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser is perfect for those who want more control over their oil use in the kitchen. This innovative dispenser features two spouts, one for pouring and one for spritzing, giving you flexibility whether you're drizzling oil on a salad or spraying it onto a pan for cooking. The sleek, modern design looks great on any countertop, and the dispenser is easy to refill and clean. With a leak-proof seal, you don't have to worry about oil dripping onto your counters. Whether you're trying to use less oil or just need a convenient way to store it, this dispenser is a game-changer. Stay hydrated in style with the Stanley Quencher H20 Flow State Tumbler. Known for its superior insulation, this tumbler keeps your drinks hot and cold for hours, making it perfect for long days at work, the gym, or on the go. The Flow State lid and straw are designed to reduce spills, while the ergonomic handle makes it easy to carry. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last, and its sleek design means it looks great wherever you take it. Love ice cream? The Ninja Cream i Deluxe takes your dessert game to a whole new level. With 11 functions, you can make everything from classic ice cream to gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt and more, all in the comfort of your own home. Its easy-to-use controls and customizable settings allow you to experiment with different flavors and textures, giving you the freedom to create the perfect treat every time. The Cream i is quick to clean and compact enough to fit on your countertop. Whether you're making frozen yogurt for the kids or dairy-free ice cream for yourself, this gadget brings a whole new level of fun to your kitchen. A kitchen classic, the Lodge cast iron pre-seasoned skillet is a staple that every home cook should own. Renowned for its heat retention and even cooking, this skillet is perfect for searing, sauté, baking, and frying. It comes pre-seasoned, so it's ready to use right out of the box, and it only gets better with time as you continue to cook with it. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, this cast iron skillet will give you restaurant-quality results every time. The Dash popcorn machine is a must-have for any popcorn lover, offering a quick, easy, and healthier way to make fresh popcorn. Simply measure your kernels, add them to the high-capacity heating chamber, and press the one-touch start button for hot popcorn in minutes. So easy, even kids can use it. This machine uses hot air instead of oil or microwave bags with preservatives, making it a healthier choice for movie nights, parties, or gatherings. Rounding out our list is the Bella 2-slice toaster, a simple yet highly functional gadget for your kitchen. It features wide slots, perfect for toasting everything from bagels to thick slices of bread. The auto shut-off feature ensures your toast won't burn, even if you get distracted. With its adjustable browning control, you can toast your bread just the way you like it. The sleek, compact design fits neatly on your countertop, and the crumb tray makes for easy cleanup. And there you have it, 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that everyone is buying right now. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.